make some thin sheets for spring roll. So this is how you do it. Very easy. And then you just pick this out of it, and then you smoothen your sheet. There we go. And then you just wait for it to cook a little bit, and you flip it over. So it looks done. I'm gonna flip it over. And then we have our sheets. There we go. And I'll be showing you how to wrap it in a few seconds. Everyone wants to try and roll his own spring roll. Here we go. Your filling is okay. You can add a little more. There we go. Try and thin it up a little bit this way with your hands. Okay, so nicely roll it. Roll it all the way to the middle. No, make it tighter. There we go. Tighter. Tighter. Awesome. And then once you get here, you bring one end in. Hold it with one hand. Bring the other end in. And then whilst you hold it, I'll help you with the glue.
I wouldn't do it.
I'll help you glue it. And then tighten it up. Make it tight. There you go. That was a good job.
Yeah. Now
And get your filling. There you go. Good job. That's okay. Okay, let's add a little more to the filling because you have a bigger wrap. Make it tighter. Roll it. Keep rolling. No, wait. Slowly. Keep rolling. Hold on. Bring one end in. No, here. You hold it. Don't fold it. Squeeze it. There you go. And then you glue it. And then roll it all the way to the end. Tight, tight. There you go. Awesome. So you eat this one, and your brother will eat what he rolled as well. So our spring roll is done wrapping, and I'm gonna go ahead and fry a few in my oil to a golden brown desired color. I'm actually tossing my spring roll in the hot oil now. So our spring roll is done, and this is how they look like. So guys, look at it. There you go. Look at how crunchy they look.